Hi guys, welcome again to the tutorial for beginners. In this video, I will introduce you about scratch window, paper sizes, paper set in AutoCAD and also details about line. It is very important to learn how to start up AutoCAD properly with proper paper sizes. So let's begin this tutorial. First of all, we will see how to open AutoCAD. It's very simple. Just double click on the icon present on your desktop screen. Let's see. This is my desktop screen and I have installed the AutoCAD version 2013 in my desktop. You may see the icon present in my desktop. Let's double click on the icon. So the AutoCAD app opens here. Now let's see how to open start from scratch window. For this you have to type startup in command window. Now you guys are thinking what is command window? Let me show you. As you can see, this is the command window of AutoCAD and AutoCAD is based on commands. So type startup and then enter. Then put the value 1, then again enter to confirm. By default its value will be 0, make it digit 1, then open a new file. Let's see how to open a new file. Go to this icon and click on this icon. Here you will get new drawing. Then here the startup screen comes. You can choose any of the thing that Imperial. If you want to work in feet or inches, you can choose it, or you can use the metric. I will choose the metrics and then OK. Next is how to set paper size in AutoCAD. But before this, I will show you what are the sizes of paper. So let's have a look. These are the paper sizes of AutoCAD in which you can draw easily. The sizes are A0, A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5. In A0 the paper sizes must be 841 into 1189. In A1 size format paper the size will be 594 into 841. In A2 paper size, the size must be 420 into 594. In A3 paper size, the size will be 297 into 420. In A4 paper size, the size will be 210 into 297. In A5 paper size, the size will be 147 into 210. Ratio of the drawing sheet will be 1:2. As you have seen the paper sizes, let's talk about the previous point, that how to set paper. So for this you have to type limits in command window and then press enter key. Then we have to define the lower left corner, and the lower left corner will be 0, 0 and then press enter key again. Then this is asking the upper right corner. The upper right corner is the paper size format you want to draw. I want A4 size, so I will put 210, 297 and then press enter key. Then we will zoom it. For zoom we have to type Z and then press enter key. Then we want zoom in all our pages. So from here we will select A means all. You can see here it is mentioned A means all, and then press enter key. That's all. Your paper is set to A4 size. Let's start about the drawing part. To draw any object, first of all learn about line. So to draw a line, we have to choose line from the toolbar, or we can directly put a command for the line, that For line the command is L and enter. After that we have to specify the first point. I have given the first point, and then this is asking for the line specify next point. You have to give a next point and then press ESC button, escape button from your keyboard to release. So here is our line. Now let's draw some designs using line command. So as you can see, I have some designs and pictures of with proper dimension. So this we will draw in AutoCAD. And one thing to remember, that is, for to draw a straight line you need to on the ortho mode by pressing F8 button, or you can directly on from here. Here it is written ortho. You can click here. If the green symbols appears, then it is on. If you again click here, it will be turned off. So I am making it on. So this is our workspace. Let's choose line, or we can directly call line by L, enter. So line has been chosen. Let's give the first point anywhere. Then we have to define the next point. For next point we have the dimension of the next point. Let's put 42. As you can see here it is mentioned 42. So we will draw this diagram as it is mentioned 42. We also mention 42 and then press enter. So this is our line 42. Then again the next point upward, and the upward dimension is 10. So let's put 10 here and then press enter. Now we will again draw 42 here and then press enter, and from downwards we'll put the 10 and enter. Then press ESC button to release. Then as you can see the next dimension is given 48. The length of the line is 48. So it is drawn from the, let's draw a rough line from the center of 42 line, and its dimension is 48. So we have drawn a 48 line. Then press ESC button to release. Then our upper dimension is 12. So what we have to do is, this is our end. From here we will draw a line of 6 mm this side and again enter, and from this side 6, and this is our dimension of 12. So now what we have to do is again line. Our downward dimension is, next dimension is 34. So from here we have to draw a line, and this is 17. How it becomes 17? That we will divide 34 into two parts, half from this side and half from this side. So let's put 17, enter. Then combine with this line. Then press ESC button to release. Again press line. From this endpoint we have to draw 17. Enter. Then again you have to join this line perpendicular. So we have this. Now we will erase those rough lines. Now what we will have to do is, we have to again choose line, enter. From this endpoint to this endpoint, again line, enter. From this endpoint to this endpoint. then press enter. Now to erase any object, first of all select any object, like these are our rough lines. I will choose these rough lines, then press E for erase and then enter. So you can see our rough lines have been erased. Now we will cut this part. You have to select this object and press E, enter. This line has been erased. Again what we have to do is L, enter. From this endpoint you can zoom it by scrolling mouse button to this endpoint, and again scroll backward to zoom out. Again L, enter to this endpoint to this endpoint. So this is our line design. Let's draw some second design. Let's take another example. As we can see here, we have to draw this design from downwards. Let's call line by L, enter. Then give the first point anywhere. I have given the first point. The first dimension is 36. So we have put 36 and then press enter key. The upward dimension is 10. So we have put 10 and then press enter key to confirm. Then again we have to draw 36 and then press enter key to confirm, and from this point to downward the dimension is 10, so we will put 10 and then press enter to confirm. Next what we have to do is, you can see this dimension is given 48. It means 48 dimension will be from here to here, but we have a downline of 10 dimension from here. So from 48 dimension cut 10 dimension, left is 38. So we will put 38. So for this you have to again call line by L, enter. From this point has become 10 and the total is 48. So we have to cut 48 minus 10 and that is 38. So from this point we have to draw a line of 38 dimension and this press enter key. And on the another side also we have to do the same. So let's do it quickly. Again L, enter. From this point the dimension is 38 and then enter. Then press ESC button, escape button from your keyboard to release the command. Then we will draw the inside part of this design. For this you have to call line by L, enter, and take the midpoint of this line 36 dimension. So here it is showing that midpoint. From here draw a line of total dimension is 48. So take a rough line of 48 dimension and this press enter key. Then press escape button to release the line. Then again the dimension is here, it is given 10. So we have a center line from here and we have to draw a line from this side and from this side. So we have to divide 10 into 2, that is 5. So call by the line by L, enter. From this point draw a line 5 mm. Press ESC button to release. Again enter. From this endpoint to this word we have put 5 mm, then enter. Press ESC button to release. Then our next dimension is 14 from here. So let's put 14, then enter. Then this side also be the same. Press ESC button to release. Again L, enter. From here it is 14, then enter. So we will see what is the dimension of this line. For this, we will choose linear. Click on this point to this point, and the dimension is 6. So let's draw the line. For line L, enter, and we have the end point here. Put 6, enter. Then from this side also we will do the same. This is our end point, and put 6, enter. Then press ESC button to release. Then this is our total dimension, and the total dimension is given here is 26, but we have drawn 14 mm from this 26 dimension. So let's cut this 14 from this 26 dimension, and the left dimension is 12. So now what we have to do is call line. From this point we have to do 12, enter, and then press escape button. From this side also we will do the same. End point 12, enter, and now we will join this point. So I will show you the dimensions. From the here to here it is 22. From here to here it is 36. From here to here it is 10. From here to here it is 48, and from here to here it is 26, and from this point to this point it is 14, and from this point to this point it is 10. So as you have seen, our dimensions are exactly same as here. So let's undo it. For undo, press Ctrl Z. Now what we have to do is let's erase the rough lines. For erase, select the object, then press E, enter. Again we will join this part and release this part. For select the object to erase, and then press E, enter. Then we will join this part, L, enter. From this end point to this end point, press ESC button to release, then again press L, enter. From this point to this point, and our design has been completed. I hope you all have learned some basics about line. So this is everything for now. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe the channel to get access to the full list of tutorials of AutoCAD. So thank you very much for watching, and on our next video I will explain you about details of circle with examples, what is trim and how to use trim command, what is extend, and how to give security protection to your file. Yes guys, you can also give security protection to your file. So stay tuned.